All right, so this is question 11. Seems kind of simple. We only have one class and two methods. I believe similar to the last question. So because we only have one class, this it's probably not going to instantly be D. We're probably not going to be able to very quickly find an error in this code. So what we'll do is we'll start a main and just see how it goes. Right. So starting at that first line, we declare an int x and it's equal to 1. And the next line down, we have an integer y and it's equal to some method of x, right? So we just pass an x, which happens to be 1, into this method right here, who matches the parameters here. We take an int, or I guess we passed an int. It was expecting an int, so that's good. And then we run through, right? So data is equal to data plus 3. So data plus 3 is 4, right? So that's our new value for data. And if that's our new value, that's exactly what we're going to return, right? So I'm going to return 4 to y. So this is 4. Then over here, right, I'm going to do, I guess a little interesting, right? We're going to do x plus this blank space plus y. Not just x plus y, but x plus the blank space plus y, right? So I guess this actually comes back to question 1 when we were doing I guess sort of string concatenation, right? So we're gonna have x. So yeah, okay. Let's see what this evaluates to, right? We have x plus a blank string, or I guess a blank space, right? What is that going to equal? What what do I have? I have an integer being added to a string, which should be a string, right? So it's gonna I guess evaluate to 1, and then here's like your blank space here, right? That's why I didn't draw the quotes here. I drew them over here because we got that blank. So now I had to wonder, what is 1 blank space plus y, right? I'm saying like what is this string plus this integer? What is that equal to? It's equal to another string, right? You just concatenate it. You just append this 4 to the string here, and what do you get? You get 1 blank space 4, which of course is one of our answers, right? Really, what maybe they wanted to trick you is maybe you saw this blank space and you didn't really care, right? So you just did 1 plus 5 or 4, and you got 5, right? So just make sure that we're doing the concatenation properly. We're turning this result into a string, and then we're turning the whole thing into a string, and we have that space, and we're not actually like adding these two numbers, right? So of course we'll get A, and we can go check, and the answer is indeed A. I'll see you in the next.